This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Susan Pender. Truly exceptional waterfront home built to the highest of standards by award-winning builder, Borte, located on a private cul-de-sac. This gorgeous custom residence offers a bright open floor plan for family and entertaining with walls of windows overlooking the yard and water. Beautiful commercial kitchen offers custom cherry cabinets, granite countertops, a 48 gas range with grill and griddle, 2 sinks and 2 pantries, spacious living areas with 12 ceilings, double-sided gas fireplace, wet bar and surround sound, first floor oak paneled study/bedroom with Brazilian cherry floors and full bathroom. Inviting screen porch, luxurious primary suite with private office, screen porch, 2 walk-in closets and luxurious bathroom. Amazing, professionally landscaped yard with a spacious brand new deck and fence, pond, concrete ramp to access the dock, 2-car garage and shed. Other custom features are Marvin windows, rock-faced brick exterior, faux slate roof, and a custom brick wall. For more information, review the details below.